I was asked what are 3 essential tools that I love to use for my business. Now I'm gonna get straight into it. I have the Klein, this might be a little bit of a cheat, but the 14-in-1 handle with the 7-in-1 flip socket. I think that makes the ultimate screwdriver. It can handle any screw that you throw at it. You got all these bits down here that you can throw in the 1/4-inch socket. So I think that's great. Number 2 would be this little mini ratchet by Klein as well. So you got the 1/4-inch and 5/16 on either side. It ratchets. It's great. You can also throw one of the bits in there on the 1/4-inch side, and that works for tight spots. And then you can also throw in these little 1/4-inch impact bits that are Allen keys for set screws and different things. And then, most importantly, it's going to be your phone. So you can have apps, or you can go on the web, you can look up manuals, you can have everything connect to Bluetooth nowadays with all your electronic tools and whatnot. And you can also go to Hvacr. And with Hvacr, you can download their app, you can use their web, however you want to use it. Manage your business a whole lot better than doing it through paper or anything else that might not be as organized all in one as Hvacr is. So, you know, make your invoices, do your quotes, convert all that as you please, email them out. You can communicate to your customers through messaging. Everything is handled in Hvacr itself. Schedule jobs, track your employees, just be efficient and organized. And you'll get paid quicker too. So just a tip.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little video. Hvacr asked me to name my top 3 tools, and I kind of went with that. I do think those Klein tools are great, and the phone is an important part of your arsenal now. Of course, your brain, the knowledge you have, your hands, you know, your senses, all that stuff is good too, and very important. So I don't know, I need to do an updated, because I did a video on top tools to start HVAC. I might do another video that's like updated to now, because that's a very old video that I have that did well. A lot of guys liked it. So I might do an updated one. I might do some different kinds of top tools if you guys want that. So I'll get to work on that soon. I do want to mention that I was giving away a hoodie, or you can also choose a shirt if you don't want a hoodie. Over on my Instagram, I did new designs because I had the new logo, and I have some updated designs that I put out as my merch stuff, whatever you want to call it, the hoodies, the shirts. There's some stickers on there too. So I want to do a giveaway for YouTube, for you guys. I probably put it in the title, so you probably already came into this video knowing that. So I am going to do a giveaway on this video right here. So I appreciate all the guys that watch. I want to thank you and have somebody, you know, rep a hoodie of mine or a shirt of mine, and I need to order some for myself, so it works out better if I order them together. So leave a comment. You know, just tell me where you're from. Where do you watch my videos from? I love seeing, you know, all the different states, countries, and I even have a lot of local guys that I talk to and that I run into, because I'm at the supply house. If you guys see me at Johnstone, don't hesitate to say what's up. If you catch me off guard, usually I'm just like, you know, in work mode, but I'll stop to talk. I even had somebody stop me at HEB. All cool. So yeah, just let me know where you're from in the comments, and let me know that you want one. I'll enter you. I'll draw somebody probably over the weekend. Send you out a hoodie, or if you prefer a shirt, we can do that too. Any design, any color, if you want, check the link in the description to my store. Check out and browse, you know, the collection there. I literally just updated it, so it should have all the new logos and some new designs. So check that out and like the video, and make sure you're subscribed, and I will pick a winner on the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys.